Another thing that we can do with the system is modify our look and feel on how our dashboard or role center looks. What Microsoft Business Central calls that is personalization. So what I'm going to do is, I showed you earlier the Power BI reports, and for my use of the system, if it is more beneficial for me to have that up near the top of my dashboard, I would like to be able to move it. So the way I do that is I turn on personalization mode. And as you can see, I'm personalizing for the screen. I go ahead and I grab my Power BI reports, part of the dashboard. I move that up to where I want it, drag and drop. And now you see it has moved my Power BI reports up to the top of my dashboard. I now have the ability to be able to say done and save that personalization for subsequent entry into the system, or I can clear that personalization and it will return that personalization back to where it was by default. So that's one of the things that I can do with personalizations. Another thing that I can do is I can hide, move, or add fields to screens. So I'm going to go ahead for, in this example, I'm going to open up a customer card and show you how you can hide and add fields to screens. So I'm going to open up a customer, and this is the customer card out of the box. And I, in my business processes, have found that I do not have use for these two fields. So what I would like to do is hide those fields and add some useful information for my business processes. So again, I turn on personalize. I can highlight that field. You see I have the ability to be able to move that field or hide it. So I'm going to hide it. And I'm going to do the same with the CFDI relation. So now I've removed those fields off of the screen. What I would like in the place of those fields is I would like to see the salesperson code. So I clicked on add data fields to the page. What comes up is the box on the right-hand side of the screen. This gives me all of the fields that I can add, and you can see the two fields I could add that I removed that I could add back to the screen. And there's the salesperson code. So I pick up that field, I drag it to where I want it and drop it. And now I've added salesperson code to the customer card. So very easy personalizations, very powerful. You don't have to have programming background to be able to use customization, personalizations within the system.
Thank you for joining us today, and congratulations for investing time in your education. We'd like to offer a way to continue our conversation. If any of what we presented resonates with you, please register for a 30-day trial of Dynamics 365 Business Central. The trial will provide you with an opportunity to evaluate the application using the provided sample data or your own data. To sign up, would you please click on the link below. Again, our thanks, and make it a great day.